Country's rapid infrastructure growth demands skilled experts to guarantee the longevity of the infrastructure and foster continued progress. Vasant Technocrats consistently stands out as a leader, offering pioneering solutions in the repair and rehabilitation of bridges and infrastructure, ensuring the reliability for long-term progress. Within this realm, Vasant Technocrats emerges as a trusted partner of a prestigious contract from their esteemed client, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Entrusted with the task of replacing degraded elastomeric bearings on 4 railway bridges in the Sanatnagar Maulali section of the Secunderabad division in South Central Railway, Telangana.
In the entire MMTS project, the Sanatnagar Maulali section was a critical section. This is a very challenging job because after CRS inspection, the section was commissioned and trains were running and we could get hardly any time.
Replacing bearings for a railway bridge is extremely time-sensitive, with the railway department allowing only a 60-minute traffic block due to train stoppages. These projects require a highly skilled workforce, proficient in precision, urgency handling, and thriving under intense pressure. At Vasant Technocrats, our team excels under pressure to ensure flawless, error-free completion. Installing a hydraulic jacks preemptively at all jack points and swiftly lifting the bridges up to 30 mm within the allotted time. Our skilled team then precisely replaced the worn elastomeric bearings, ensuring quality and perfection within the given time frame.
Vasant Technocrats, technical team I should applaud. They could complete all the bearings change for each bridge within 60 minutes given time, and I really appreciate Mr. Vinod and his technical team.
At Vasant Technocrats, we take pride in our commitment to excellence with a relentless dedication to quality and efficient workmanship. We take full ownership of every project we undertake.
Vasant Technocrats' commitment to excellence drives significant advancements in the industry. Vasant Technocrats, building a strong foundation for India.